Introducing the argument against belonging. The internet makes belonging so positive, but there's another side to it. The side where you feel lost and absorbed by it, and it's quite natural to feel like you don't belong, because what is belonging? Togetherness, to fit in, to feel included, to matter. Yet, you can still feel all these things without the idea of belonging making you feel like you have to fit in and be a part of this togetherness, because you don't feel like you belong, you want to belong. And honestly, it's bigger than a want. It's a desire. All you need, all you crave, all you think about constantly is how you don't fit in, how you feel like you're watched and judged for your differences. Only once you cut out that desire, you will be free. Free to live without that constant thought telling you you don't belong here or there or even honestly with anybody. That's why I created the argument against belonging. Just think, the world is big and vast, and no matter what, no matter with who, you matter. And if the idea of belonging makes you feel like you don't matter or fit in, tune it out. Follow us on Instagram at Live Laugh Belong for a free online guide to living against belonging.